Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with Juvia's Place palettes. I had never tried them before. If you guys want to see what I think about them, then please keep on watching. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a really long time, but today I am back with a really exciting video for me. I've actually never tried this brand that I'm going to show you guys before. They had a sale going on for 30% off, which is what I got mine for. The reason I'm uploading right now, they actually have a sale up to 50% off site-wide. We are talking about Juvia's Place Shadows. I actually ordered 4. The palette came wrapped inside this bubble wrap. The reason that I'm showing you guys this is because I did see some reviews online that were criticizing the palette's packaging. I've got to say, this is actually the best packaging that I've received. Any of my palettes, Sephora included. I'm going to show you guys how it looked. This is the box right here. And these are the palettes that are still wrapped, but all of this came on top of my palettes. It's actually very safely wrapped. So my palettes are in here. Onto the palettes, I got the Saharan, the original Saharan palette, the Saharan 2, which is the purple one that I showed you guys, the Nubian 2, and the Masquerade. Let's start off with the Saharan. And I have no makeup on right now. Probably should have at least foundation on and brows. I'm feeling really sick, so excuse my voice. Let's get back to the review. When you first take them out of their box, they come wrapped, like I said, with bubble wrap, so they're really safe. And this is what the Saharan palette looks like. I did already swatch them. Let me show you guys a couple of swatches. The next one I'm going to show you guys is the Nubian 2. It's this one in the yellow packaging, and again, really nicely wrapped. This palette is a little bit bigger on the outside compared. The pan shades are a lot bigger. Look at that beautiful blue. Very pretty. And that was Cleopatra and Egypt. I haven't tried any of these palettes out on my eyes. I've only swatched them. And then this is the last one, the Masquerade palette. And then, are you guys ready for this? This one's beautiful. Look at these colors. Oh, this one right here. And this top row is just so beautiful. It's a bad swatch of the green, I'm sorry. For these 4 palettes, like I said, I got them at 30% off, and I paid about $55 for the 4 palettes, which is amazing. I mean, this pink, it looks like it has a lot of shimmer in the pan, but it swatches pretty matte. Once it blends, you don't really see any of the glitter. And I'm excited to do a look with one of these palettes. We're gonna go in with the Masquerade palette, and I bought something in Sephora the other day. You really do not need to buy this. I think Scotch tape works perfectly fine, but this is the Lineup Makeup Tape by Sephora collection. I am going to be using this. I don't have the best luck using tape. I usually get it crooked, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna go in with my favorite eyeshadow primer. This is MAC Painterly Paint Pot, and I'm gonna prime before I apply that tape. I've been so sick that I haven't wanted to do makeup, even for work. I have my uniform on because I'm about to go to work. Many of you guys might know that I work in Sephora, some of you might not. And for Sephora, we usually have to have our makeup done, but I've just been feeling so sick. My skin needs a breather, and I haven't applied a lot of makeup for work. Let me get my brushes, and I'm actually not going to set my primer. I'm just gonna go in with the tape. I think that's gonna be about as straight as it's gonna get because I've never used tape before on myself. Let's go in with this shade right here called Burkina with a blending brush. That blends really nice. I'm gonna go in with this Luxie mini tapered brush and the color Zobo right here. So I'm actually going back and forth between the color Zobo and that glitter pink shade that I told you guys at first, Bori, and intensifying the look. I don't know, for some reason I forgot I was talking to the camera and I didn't even mention it. But that bright color is Bori. And just like I mentioned in the very beginning of the video, while in the pan it looks really glittery, once you apply it to your lid, the glitter is basically non-existent. I actually had absolutely nothing in mind for for this eye look. None of it was planned. I was only playing with the palette and seeing where it would take me. And apparently I decided to do a halo cut crease, which is where I put the concealer in the middle and then I apply one color on my lid, a second color in the inner and outer corners. And this is what I'm doing. For my lid, I am applying Chai, and then on the inner and outer corners, I am applying Masquerade. And then you also see me apply a little bit of Dahlia, which was that bright blue, kind of diagonally in the lid as well, just to brighten up the look. And this is the color that I'm applying right now. And then I just go back in with a little bit of Bori or Sobo to intensify the crease. That did not go how I thought that would go, but I'm not really mad at what I've come up with so far.
The type of folk we used to be and the simple souls we used to see, Do you remember?
I'm going to be taking a turquoise liner by Makeup Forever in the color I-24. Is that the color? I think so. I take that turquoise liner and I also apply some of the purple shadow on my lower lash line to finish up the eye look. I don't even know if I'm going to be uploading this video, but at least I did something. Thank you guys for joining me today. I know it's been a couple of months since I have uploaded. I promise that I will have some good content for you. I already am planning my next couple of videos. Thank you so much for staying and watching this video through. I knew I was kind of all over the place, but I kind of just wanted to play with the palettes and look at the colors. My final thoughts, I really like the palette. I should have played with the neutral colors because that's what I do on a day-to-day basis, but I really wanted to play with the purples and the blues and the pinks. It's not something I usually wear, but it looks nice. It looks pretty. I do like it. I do want to play with the other palettes as well. If you guys want more of a neutral look, please comment down below and let me know. My social media is gonna be right over here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you later.